Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this afternoon, a friend of mine is actually coming to get this green one, and I am taking one of his trucks. We're swapping. So a little horse trading going on, but he's got a buyer for this one, and I'm going to go ahead and sell the orange one. I'm dabbling in K5s a lot lately. I have loved, old Chevy trucks all my life, Suburbans, Blazers, all that. So I'm kind of opening a new chapter and getting started in dabbling with those. I will still be doing Cadillacs, of course, but I also absolutely love these old Blazers, like I said, Suburbans, short beds, long beds, the whole gamut of old Chevy trucks. So thank you for tuning into the video today, guys. I'll keep you posted on what happens. All right, so we're doing the Great Blazer switch right now. That's the new beast. So here we go. I'll show you guys in a minute. So this one's just a little bit wider than the orange one, but Wayne made it fit. All right, everybody, so here it is. I love the In God We Trust plate. But anyway, needs some cleanup on the inside. It was perfect when he brought it here, but obviously being topless, it got kind of some stuff on the carpet. Paint is beautiful on this truck. Sounds like a beast, runs like a beast. So I will be showing everybody more of this truck in the next couple days. And it is officially for sale if anybody out there is interested. All right, see you guys in the next video.